Hi guys, this is our gears. Make sure that when you learn how to do your gears, you do it thoroughly. When you put it on gear 1, you push it to your left, you pull it up on your left side. So you make sure, guys, when you put your gear 1 on, you push it to your left side, then you pull it up, so that you could make sure that that's gear 1. And then when you go to gear 2, you put it on neutral, then make sure that it's in the middle. You push it on your sides, don't go up, just go side by side. And then after that, you push it to your left when you go to your gear 2, and then you pull it down whilst you're pushing it to your left. That's gear 2, guys. And then neutral, when you're about to shift on gear 3, make it a point, guys, that when you come from gear 2, you do a neutral, and then shake it just a little bit, and then you pull up, just push it up. That's gear 3, guys. So make sure that you use your gears nicely. Don't rush yourself, so that you're able to know how to control your gears, or make sure how to fill your gears. Then you neutral, when you go in gear 4, then you just go down. The gears will just go down. Make sure that you push it down. Don't just go on the side. Just push it down, guys, because now you're gonna mess up everything when you want to push on the side and go down. That's your gear 4. And then when you're about to go in gear 5, you go neutral, shake it just a little bit, and then you push it to your right side, and then you pull up whilst you're pushing it to your right side. And then that will ensure you that's gear 5. Then you're neutral. As you saw, that's gear 5, guys. Make sure that you push it nicely. And that's last but not least, it's a reverse. Then when you put on your reverse, you make sure, as they say, it's on our right side, down part, and then push it to your right side, and then you pull down. You go down whilst you're pushing it to your right side. That will ensure you that that's your reverse. So guys, when you learn your gears, make sure that you do it nicely. Don't rush yourself, because now when you rush yourself, guys, you'll find yourself making more mistakes without seeing what's happening. So you make sure that you take it slowly. You learn nice and slowly. Don't rush yourself. Don't overthink. Just do the right thing that you were told or shown, so that you could get better. Driving, guys, doesn't end. So you make sure that you push your limits high. You learn, so that you can be able to teach others. So yeah, those are my gears, guys. This is Nice Matondo's channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more, guys. Nice.